Galing na nina. Oh, sige sir.
Hi sir, hi guys. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, the best channel ever.
Best channel ever. Ika, handsome.
Ali, idol. Show me teaspoon to have breakfast and social climb.
Social Nyaman mag-social climb na.
Wabab, you know, gotta social climb. Kulang na ng coffee eh.
Moderna na, moderna. Ali, mas idol yan yun.
Ganda ng mga gamit oh.
Diba, idol na rin content mo eh.
So God.
So God, yeah. Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Jik in the house.
Subscribe.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Yun, so nandito kami yun sa Teaspoon and this is Hauslands Christmas Vloggers Party. We don't know yet what to do. So yun, we're just setting up and then later on we're gonna start.
I'll give it to someone special.
Mundo Dominic Energy. What we do is we discover great places for you to check out. Shooter ng We're in Pampanga. So, second time to meet this legendary person, Mr. Paolo Feliciano, Lodi himself.
Let's call on stage the man who's definitely slaying the definition of marketing. Our Deputy Chief Operating Officer for the Hauslands, Mr. Michael Hauslands.
Ay, video ba? Video? Ayan.
So we won for the first contest.
Mr. Elijah.
Yeah!
Elijah.
Okay tayo? Oh! Uy! Alright! Yes! Kaya pala eh, oh. Sponsored. Ang ganda ko salamat sa Hauslands.
Thank you also for coming and enjoying today's
Yes,
party.
we are, we are.
Thank you.
So, si brand ni Sir Mike yun.
That's my brand.
Watch out, Teaspoon. Kakain na.
Our next winner is
Gabriel Diaz.
Let's go Pampanga.
Sir Pao, hanggang susunod. Na.
Thank you.
See you sa YouTube.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hausland. Again, sana po dakal pa po ang tinganini in the near future. So we are very much open to collaborate with you guys. Again, thank you so much, Hausland. Bye!
Bumirami dito!
Rubbing elbows! Rubbing
Bye!
elbows!
Thank you,